Hi you guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I decided that I wanted to do a little bit of vlogging. I'm sorry because I'm speaking so low. It's early for me. I'm getting a Brazilian blowout. For my hair. I mean, look at this, you guys, it's gotta get done. Girl, someone tame it. I'm gonna get my coffee ready. Just figured I would take you guys along the way with me just a little bit today. I have to go check my ducks. My ducks have started to lay me eggs. There's my crow. My doggies. No, it doesn't look like they left me any eggs. Bummer. Huh? Lucy! So if you've been watching my channel for a little bit, you could see that I just have a lot of hair and it just never seems like I know what to do with it. So I just can't wait to go and get it smoothed out. I usually like to drink my coffee black, but because it's fall, I will get some pumpkin spice. I honestly just make my coffee black and then I just sprinkle a little bit of pumpkin spice that I actually picked up at Marshall's in it, just to give it a little bit of zest and flavor without getting all of the milk and sugar. And also I usually text my husband when I'm up, just saying, asking if he made it okay, just how his day's going. I have these adorable ceramic bowls from Stewart, and I usually take these out around this time of year and use them for soups, cereal, and everything like that. Never tried these, but I have the pumpkin spice Cheerios. Marv is also saying good morning to everybody. And then I love Cheerios because they're gluten-free. And right now I'm on a gluten-free diet. And also I like these kind, healthy grained fiber, just cinnamon oat clusters. So I just ate my breakfast. I'm gonna do a quick morning skincare routine to get ready for my day. I never not do a skincare routine. Instead of toning like I normally do, I'm out of cotton swabs. I've been applying the cleansing gel by Mer dry to my face every morning. And I just massage this into my skin. You guys, I always splash water on my face first thing in the morning, whether I'm not cleansing or not, water is always splashed. It needs to wake me up. I then go in with this, I'm feeling real tired today, girl, but I see how already louder I got when I washed my face. So I'm gonna go in with this Peach and Lily Cold Brew Recovery Stick for under my eyes as just a morning refresher. Then I'm gonna spray myself with the Fresh Rose Floral Spray Toner. I'm almost out of this serum, but it's by Erno Laszlo, the Hydra Therapy Gel Serum. I love this. It's such a good day, just moisturizing serum. Next, I just try to keep my morning short and sweet. I'm gonna go in with the Sisley Black Rose Moisturizer. Then I'm about to have a sneeze attack from morning allergies with the change of the seasons, girl. I'm feeling it coming. Almost out of the Sisley eye cream. I've been using this for some time now. I'm thinking about buying the La Prairie under eye cream as a replacement. What do you guys think? All right, so I'm in my normal studio where I do my skincare routines, but I'm honestly just gonna be putting makeup on today. I don't know, when you guys get your hair done, don't you I stare at myself in the mirror the entire time and I just look at all my flaws, and I'm gonna be there for 3 hours today. So I was like, girl, put on some makeup. I'm just gonna go in with the Porefessional by Benefit. Oh my God, I love this stuff. I love the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It's my favorite foundation. Today I'm gonna go in with just a Morphe brush in circular motions because I need to get this blended. Concealer, Jeffree Star Magic Concealer. Honestly, it's my favorite concealer. I really, really like this concealer. It's a little too dark for me right now, but whatever. You blend it out, you live. Girl, what happened to where did all my stuff go? Gonna blend her out. So I love this powder. It's the Patrick's Powder by Patrick Star by MAC. I still have the holiday version. I always like to keep per Patrick Ta. He's the ambassador for La Mer, and he always says keep the center of your face matte. I then go in with a bronzer, and this one is by Lancome. I don't have any filters, so like my face probably just looks like crazy. I don't know how to do filters, and I don't want to know how to do filters on my channel. I just want to keep it 100 at all times and just get used to showing you guys my face. That way, if you guys ever see me without makeup, or you guys, well, you guys always see me without makeup, but you know what I mean? Like, I just want to keep it as real as possible on my channel. I've been getting a lot of haters. Have you guys been seeing these haters commenting, saying I'm lying? I'm like, about what? This is the easiest thing to do, is go on about how much I love La Mer. It's the most authentic thing I could possibly do, because anyone who knows me knows I'm a La Mer junkie through and through. So, I don't know, ignore these haters. I might do a little separate video for them. Who knows? I always go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, you guys. It's just the easiest palette to use. If anyone has the Jaclyn Hill palette, this color right here, I think it's called Obsessed, I could be wrong, is my favorite eyeshadow color of all time. What I like to do is I like to just go in with a blush. I love this just like little shade. It's called Gentle. It's a mineralized blush by MAC, and I just like to dust it over my cheeks. It is a little pink for the fall season, but I don't care. I love pink. So, yeah, I kind of look like a clown now. Guys, I love the Fenty How Many Carats. I love this. I've been using this Lancome, like an eyelash booster. I'm horrible. I hate this. No, this is my least favorite part of a makeup routine. I hate mascara. I think this is by Tarte. I don't know, you guys. Yep, it says Tarte. Shit. And I always get a mark on me. My eyes don't look good. More black gunk. I'm gonna have to take off my eyes tonight. After that, my favorite part of my routines is lipstick. I always put this pink one on. Pink lips every day, no matter what, pink or nude. Sometimes a bright red. I do love a bright red moment. This is I love this one. It's like Sugar Plum. Yeah, Sugar Plum by Kylie Cosmetics. It's so good. And then this just gives me like this mauve-y pink look. How many of you, just like when you wake up on a fall morning, see you guys, I've come alive. How many of you, when you wake up on a fall morning, do you just love to like spray fall scents, like the Cuban vanilla from Pure One? Spray it, girl, get that fall vibe. Blow out your candle so you don't burn anything before you leave, and grab the dogs. Let's go. I got my iced coffee from Dunkin'. Ooh, it's rich today, yes! I get an Americano medium, light ice with toasted almond flavor. And that's like my thing. And then since my appointment is gonna be like 3 hours long, girl, you know, when you got that thick hair, everything takes long. I got a snack, roasted almonds with sea salt. I figured this would be a good snack for me. Also, I could benefit from the salt for my low blood pressure. And then I got another drink, and it's like a hair survival package. I got pomegranate, Wonderful pomegranate juice, because a girl just needs her antioxidants. Hey you guys, I'm walking in, I'm so excited. Hi. I know. Well, she has my dog's ancestor. I know. They're in the same family. They look so sad. I know, we love Pika Pugs. No, but I love my hairdresser.
Big day today.
I know.
Your treatment, so.
I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to this. Hi guys, so we just did a full cut and color and wash. Right now we are pressing the product into my hair, and then we're gonna do another wash, and then it should be ready. And this is the Brazilian blowouts. It just got new fresh color, girl. Everything's coming along great. My hair is literal silk right now. We're doing a cut just to freshen up the bottoms, but if you guys feel my hair, it's literal silk. You guys, here's my hair. We are getting ready to wash it again, and then it's gonna be done, but it's so silky and so pretty. Oh yeah, it has more of that silky feel, my God. So we are practically done with my hair. And I have such thick curly hair the way it is. I'm just not used to it, girl.
Yeah. It's like you put your foot into a bath. Is it because they're live or something? because I was still in the camera
Feeling
part.
good today. Should we do a little twirl?
Oh, man,
I'm gonna fall. Okay. Hey you guys, so I am done with my hair. I'm still in the parking lot, but like, what do you think? Sorry, that was Nikki. But what do you guys think of my hair? It looks so chic, right? I feel like a blonde Pocahontas, you know what I mean? Like when you just put it back like this and you're just like, yes. I hope you guys like it. This has been really, really fun. When I get home, I did get some goodies to help me preserve the treatment that I will share with you. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I am back in my house and here is the after product of the Brazilian blowout, as I showed you guys. If you could see it, it's just so like shiny and smooth, and I've never had, like, I'm pretty good with straightening my hair and everything, but I've never had it like this level. Like, it even looks longer. Like, it's just, I'm so happy that I did it. And those who know me personally know, like, my hair has kind of been like, I don't want to say a struggle in my life, but it's definitely been topic of conversation a lot. You know, so, you know, either it was poofed out and frizzy or over processed blonde or roots. I mean, whatever, like my hair is just so thick. And so to have it straightened out like this and smooth is really such, like, so amazing to me. So I'm so happy that I did this. I wanted to show you 3 products that I was given after the Brazilian blowout and then a product that I picked up at Ulta. So with the Brazilian blowout that I got, told I can wash it whenever I want my hair after this. There's no like waiting period or anything like that. However, I'm obviously not gonna do that. I'm gonna try to keep this preserved as long as I can. So to help preserve the treatment, I was giving Color Guard anti-frizz Brazilian blowout shampoo. And then of course the conditioner. It came with my treatment. So I was given these 2. They're nice sizes. I'm told you don't need a lot to use, so I love products that really just go a long way. And these 2 products helped to preserve the formula that's in your hair. This I paid additional for. It's bonding spray by Brazilian Blowouts. I was told before I blow dry my hair to put this in and use it only like 3 to 5 sprays. So I thought that was great. And this will just, again, help preserve the chemicals that are in my hair or the treatment. And because it takes me, my car keys are in this bag. What? See, this is what I'm talking about with chronic fatigue and brain fog. This is what happens. Like, thank God I found these and I didn't just throw this bag somewhere. I wouldn't have been able to find my car keys. I didn't even know I put these in there. Girl, okay. So I got dry shampoo just to help preserve my hair so I don't have to keep washing it. I've never tried this one. It's Detox Dry Shampoo. It says absorbs oils and leaves hair feeling fresh and clean between washes. So I'm hoping that this works out. You guys, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I honestly forget what I vlogged. I was like tired, but it was a very fun day, and this is a totally different, like a new world for me. And I'm just so happy that my life will hopefully be a little easier and I could do my hair a little more and feel just better about myself. So everybody take care. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the confirmation or the, girl, just comment on the video. You know what I'm trying to say, you guys. I'm a little nut, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired. Today was a long day. But like, subscribers, like, read my brain, like, you know, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see updates on my personal life. And until next time, thanks so much for tuning into my channel, and I love you. Bye.